Hey everybody, my name's Lise Driscoll and welcome to my show. Wait a minute.
It's my show.
It's your show.
It's my channel. She's in my shop. Welcome.
Thank you.
So Elise is from Ryobi Power Tools and she's visiting us today. She has family up north and she came up to visit while she was here. Thanks for visiting.
You're welcome.
Super excited to have you here in the shop. And you brought some exciting goodies here. So why don't you give us the 30-second elevator pitch and let's talk like some first impressions, because some of these I haven't seen before.
Yes.
This is like brand spanking new.
This is brand spanking new.
All right, let's do it.
So just in, all of these tools are just launching and Ryobi is now stepping into a new hobby and craft category with multiple offerings from the 18-volt line to a 12-volt line to a USB lithium line. So we have a handful of new products launching here, from precision rotary tools to cutters to 12-volt rotary tools as well. And these are great from higher-end aggressive applications like wood cutting, tile cutting, grout removal, all the way down to your basic finish work, some carpentry work, or some homeowner DIY projects and some crafting projects.
I use these type of rotary tools to, one of my hobbies is restoring old tools. You can see behind you I have some old hand planes that I actually use. I've restored them. They're antique and I fixed them up. Here's one here that I will probably test out on.
Awesome.
You can see all the rust on it and kind of banged up. It's all painted. So I'll probably try to restore this.
Perfect.
And this is a perfect application for this because you can't get into all those little nooks and crannies with a wire wheel or something like that. So this is I'm excited to try it out on this.
A huge target market. We're going after those in restoration or upcycling. With these rotary tools, you can do polishing with them and remove things like rust and everything to bring something back to new and breathe new life into it. Can
we talk? I know you have a couple of different of these rotary tools. This looks like an awful lot like a tool that I use. Can I say that word? That naughty word?
I think we all know that word.
It looks like a Dremel. So you're clearly going after Dremel, or you're filling that space.
Definitely playing in the same sandbox.
I have a tool like this in my toolbox now, and I would say it's probably a go-to problem-solving tool. So precision, finish, finite, or whatever. Like I'll give you examples. I'll put a carbide burr on this. And sometimes when you put a door in, the latch works great, but the deadbolt hits a little, or it rubs a little bit.
Sure.
And I'll take the carbide burr and I'll just shave sometimes a little bit or put a little bit of a chamfer on it, and you get that lock. It's beautifully smooth. We've used it. I think I was telling you the story. We had an antique pedestal sink that the holes for the faucet were too small by just so much, and we I think we used one of the grinding. I'm looking at some of these bits here. It was a grinding stone. And we grinded the hole a little bit larger and the plumber was able to get it to fit in. So we use it for lots of applications like that, burr removal, sanding. There's also, you can put these cutting wheels. So this is you guys, this is your wheel. This is a metal tile masonry wheel, carbide.
Yes.
Hard to reach fasteners or something where you just can't get your grinder, your recip saw, or anything in there. This little guy sometimes can get in and get it done.
For sure.
So that's why I'm excited. This is probably the most exciting thing for me out of this offering, and the cutter, and no, just kidding. but it is a problem-solving tool as a remodeling contractor.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about these because this is exciting.
Yes. So this is going to be our 12-volt precision rotary tool, and as Rob was saying, there's a handful of accessories he's used with tools like these.
Yeah, totally.
And we're going to be launching over 60 new accessories. They're going to be great for cutting, polishing, sanding, material removal, and we'll have a handful of accessories all within that. So when you walk into your Home Depot and you're looking for some rotary tools and some accessories that go with that, you'll be able to find our rotary tool offerings and then a whole wall of accessories in that bay in select stores. And it's going to be really great for, number one, a customer who's never even been in Ryobi before and wants to test the waters. This is going to be a great entry point tool to see how the system works. And then those customers who've already been with Ryobi for years, we have our 18-volt battery offerings for someone who's in the system, and we have obviously over 125 tools in that system as well. I
was looking for the cord. I don't know what I put with it, but the charging cord for this particular model is a USB-C. What's it called, 3C or USB?
USB-C cord. So the battery is inside of the tool, and when you need to recharge it, you just simply plug in that charge and plug in the cord
To get the charge?
to get the charge.
What I liked about the cord, though, was it was not your cheesy, chintzy, thin little cell phone cord charger.
Correct.
And it wasn't 4 feet long or 3 feet long. It was this long. And it was pretty beefy. It was about as beefy as this cord is here, which is beefy. And then a little block and just plug it in, good to go. But the other two are not rechargeable in the sense that you
Correct.
plug in. So tell us about those. 'Cause
Awesome. In this 4-volt USB lithium line, we have a ton of different offerings. We have our cutters, we have a chisel, and then we have our precision rotary tool. And what's great, compatible with a handful of these rotary tools, we're going to have a hobbycraft station, and it's really going to be a press tool, so you can drop down and have the hobby and craft station holding your rotary tool still, so you can get that precision work
I
done.
like that. Let's talk about this guy for a minute, because this is pretty cool. So it's a cutting wheel, multiple sided blades on it in
Yes.
a circle, and a guide. And look at how easy this cuts through cardboard. But the clamshell packaging too, that annoying plastic,
Yes.
rubber, leather.
Rubber, leather, tougher materials, cardboard, the plastic that comes, Christmas kids' toys, let me tell you.
So,
They always do.
as a remodeling contractor, we're constantly remodeling in place, which means we're doing work while people are living there, and we're trying to do things with best practice dust collection, dust containment, plastic zip walls. We're covering floors with builder's paper, and the builder's paper is heavy cardboard, and it's
Yes.
a bitch to cut. And we have to hold it up off the floor with a utility knife, or you'll kill your hand with scissors. This is genius.
Great. So it's going to be great for cutting that paper to lay so you can walk on.
Yep.
It's going to be great for the plastic sheeting that's hanging, any type of vinyl materials
Yep.
that you need to
Yep.
cut through, just a couple quick cuts. But
It
it's
would work
really
on
awesome.
Tyvek. I bet it would. Tyvek and house wrap and stuff like that.
so.
But for the floor protection, I just see that as a win all day long. I'm excited to try it out in the field on that. Tell me about these guys. These are interesting. They look more like in-shop tools.
Yes.
Precision kind of hobby
Precision
crafting,
work.
polishing maybe.
So this guy looks really familiar to everyone who's familiar with Ryobi. We've had a precision rotary tool in the market before. This is really going to be catered towards someone doing crafts, DIY homeowner projects.
Battery powered, right? Yeah.
Yes, and then we're also revamping our rotary tool station. And we've had one in stores, but this is going to be higher RPM. It's going to get more tougher projects done than a precision rotary tool would be. You still have that flexible shaft, so you have that pencil grip to get that precision work done and get into tight spaces. Whether you have heavier duty, more aggressive applications for cutting, using it on tile, using it to remove grout, or you're in the automotive field and you need to use it to polish up some engine parts, similar to what you'd use a die grinder on, you can do that as well. But if you're doing all that and you need a little extra power, that's when our Ryobi Oneplus HP rotary tool will come into hand. And this has variable speed setting. Also, for those niche categories like jewelry makers, this is also going to come with a foot pedal. And you can turn it to the foot pedal setting, and you can actually control that variable speed with your foot and free up a hand to hold whatever you're polishing, whatever you're cutting, and just give you a little bit more.
This definitely feels like more higher quality, fit and finish, knurled grip, aluminum, aircraft aluminum. This is just rubber and plastic. So like good, better, best, or the Mercedes all the way down to the Chevy. I don't know if we can say that, but yeah,
You've
of course
got
we
your
can say that. It's
entry
my channel.
point and then your premium for
Yeah,
sure.
premium for sure.
So you're working your way right through that step-up strategy within these three products.
So different kind of grips going on here though, right? So you're holding this, what you call this, pencil?
Your pencil grip and then your golf grip.
I like
So you've
that.
got your forehand grip with this tool. It's great to get up in spaces, whether you're polishing up some trim or you can use it for even cutting into drywall. Rob mentioned a handful of uses that he's had for it.
Yep.
Polishing some things, but finish work, carpentry work, any small woodworking. People in cabinetry will use these tools as well. So a handful of applications and uses. And a really cool category that we're seeing a huge need for these tools.
And you're building
is
it out big time, yeah.
cosplay.
So you can
Costume design.
costume design?
Because costume, I'm not talking about your average Halloween costume. I'm talking about works
theater.
of art.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so there's
High end.
high-end cosplay. You'll see it on a lot of HBO shows.
Really?
Full Bloom, we've worked with in the past and provided heat guns, some precision rotary tools to them because they create
Interesting.
giant flower arrangements out of the most incredible structures.
No kidding.
But yeah, there's so many different people that actually do use, whether it's a rotary tool or cutters, glue guns. This is just a massive category for us, spanning across all types of users, from the professional to that homeowner DIYer to that very niche crafter, jewelry maker, people who make a living out of using these tools.
When are these coming out? When are you going to see these?
So you're going to see these launching the first week in February.
This year.
This year. So these are going to start trickling into select stores and will be available online as well in 2022 of spring.
No pricing yet. We're working that out still, right? Is that about right?
Yeah, working out some pricing, but
right.
yeah.
It'd be a shame if one of these like just
disappeared
in my work. Where was that? I don't know. I thought you had it.
Hey.
Anyway, this is pretty exciting. Ryobi coming out with a whole new line, expanding their line from this to this. I think probably the biggest thing for Ryobi will be the accessories, right? Because it's all about these, accessories. It's funny. I just call these expensive accessory holders because it's a couple $100 to buy the tool, but you probably spend $800 over the life of the tool on the accessory, and that's where the money I think is on all tools, all power tools. So this is exciting. There's a couple of really exciting ones for me as a remodeling contractor, but I can see uses for this bad boy in the shop as well. One thing that you didn't touch upon was accessories.
Yes.
Kits. How are they going to come?
Yeah, so we'll have various accessory kits ranging from over 100 different accessories to this one with 37 accessories. And this rotary station will come with 40 accessories to start you off with. And that will get you through any of your polishing, cutting, material removal, sanding projects that you can think of. And it's just a great starter. And then from there, if you need to step it up and have something a little more heavy duty, we're going to offer various different accessories in aisle as well that for more heavy duty applications.
I was just curious, is that what that's?
Yes,
this
is your accessory holder, onboard storage.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is probably like 25 or 30 that you can put in there. It's kind of cool. Anyway, this is exciting. Thank you for coming and showing us this. I can't wait to play with these in the field.
Awesome.
Do you want to say anything to?
Yeah, these will be available exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com. So check them out and get them before they're gone. They're going to sell like hotcakes.
Well done. Take care, guys.